Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch SE, and I'm gonna show you how to change the Taptic time speed on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button or tap on the screen. Then press the digital crown to open the app menu. Here find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, select the accessibility. Here scroll down, find the option called Taptic time speed, and you can adjust it by tapping on the icon on the right to increase it, and to decrease it, tap the icon on the left. You can also use the digital crown to adjust it. We can do the same thing on the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here, open the Apple Watch app on our phone, scroll down, select accessibility, find the Taptic time speed, and you can adjust it by swiping on the slider right here. And that's how you change the Taptic time speed on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.